Students, do you know what is autotropic mode of nutrition? What is heterotropic mode of nutrition? What are parasites and saprophytes? What is the process of photosynthesis? If not, no problem. We will find answers to these questions in this video. So let's start. What's nutrition? Nutrition is a process of transfer of a source of energy from outside the body of the organism, which we call food, to the inside. The process is commonly called as nutrition. So there are two kinds of nutrition. First, autotropic. Second, heterotropic. Auto means self, tropic means food. So autotrophs are the organisms who synthesize their own food. Heterotrophs are the organisms who cannot synthesize their own food. So how they get their energy? They get their energy by eating other organisms. Now, a question might arise in your mind that how is food synthesized by autotrophs? No worry, we'll explain. Autotropic mode of nutrition is basically of two types: chemosynthesis and photosynthesis. In chemosynthesis, the organism prepares its own food from chemicals. In photosynthesis, the organism prepares its own food from sunlight. Student, now we will discuss how the organism produces the food from sunlight, which is called as photosynthesis. Photosynthesis. First, the plant draws of water from the roots. Through the roots, you can see here in the image, the leaves takes CO2. CO2 from the air. The leaves trap energy from sunlight. The energy from sunlight is coming here and it is being trapped inside the leaves. The plant uses the energy of sunlight to turn water, H2O, and CO2 into sugars and oxygen. The plant releases oxygen into the air. The plant releases oxygen which we can breathe. The plant uses sugars for growth. So now it's a bit confusing. So let's see what's the equation for the photosynthesis. Equation is 6CO2 plus 6H2O plus sunlight will give us C6H12O6 plus 6O2. Carbon dioxide plus water plus energy will give us glucose plus oxygen. So now let's discuss or talk about types of heterotropic nutrition. First, holozoic. In this kind of nutrition, the organism eats the other organism and digests it. The examples of such nutrition are we humans and insectivorous plants. Second, saprophytes. These kind of organisms eat dead and decaying matter. It includes fungi which is present on bread mold. Third, parasites. This kind of organisms are present inside the living organisms. It includes worms present in human body. Now let's discuss a question on this topic. What are the differences between autotropic nutrition and heterotropic nutrition? Autotropic nutrition. Food is prepared from CO2, water and sunlight. Heterotropic nutrition. Food is obtained from other organisms. In autotrophs, chlorophyll is required. In heterotrophs, chlorophyll is not required and it's not present too. All green plants and some bacteria have this type of nutrition. In bacteria, they perform chemosynthesis. All animals and fungi have this type of nutrition. Food is generally prepared in daytime. Food can be obtained at all time. Hope you like this video. Thanks for watching. Subscribe our channel.